So I'm here inside of a live Zoom meeting, and let's say one of your participants wants you to control their PC for troubleshooting or some other purposes. So for that, what they have to do is they have to share their screen, and you should ask them for controlling their computer. So for that, what I have to do is I have to go to share screen option as a host. So click on this triangle icon right over here, and in advanced sharing options, I have to click on all participants. So who can share? All participants. Once that is checked on, anyone can share their screen. So now we'll have to wait for the guest PC, that is the participant's PC screen, to be shared. So I'm just logged on to my laptop with the other ID. So I'm just going to click on share screen, and I'm going to share the entire desktop right over here. So now you'll be able to see that the guest PC has started sharing the screen, and you can see their screen just like this. So what you have to do as a host now to control their PC is to ask a request to control their PC. So you have to go to view options right over here, and then you have to click on request remote control. So once you click on request remote control, you can send a request to control their PC. So once you request, they will have to accept it on from their side. That is, they have to click on approve, and then you can click and start controlling the PC, as you can see. So you can go over here, you can select it around, you can work around with the PC right over here. Of course, there is a bit of lag because everything is done through the internet connection right here, but you can control their PC, as you can see right here. You can select out the Word document, you can go over here and choose the heading and so forth. And now what the participant is doing is that the participant is sharing all of the screen right over here. So you can go to all of their system settings and everything, which might not be something that all the participants might want to do. So you can go to their start menu right here. You can control the rest of the PC, as you can see right over here. What the participants can also let you do is only control one of the applications. So let me just end this up right over here. So I'm going to stop the participants sharing right over here, and the participant has stopped sharing. So what I can also tell the participants do, or request the participants do, is share a particular application only, so that we don't have access to any other parts of their computer. So for that, what they can do is they can share the screen again, and they can choose a particular application that is open on their computer. So in my case, I'm just going to share the Microsoft Word, and you can see only the Microsoft Word now. And if I were to request it, so I'm going to request remote control, the same process applies, and they'll have to accept it out, they'll have to approve it out. So now you only have access to that particular application, and the participant can work with you as well, but it's only for that particular application. You don't see any start menu, so you don't have to work around with anything else, and you don't have any access. So this makes it more secure compared to the previous option. So that is how you control others' computers from a Zoom meeting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.